For a second, just talk to me right now. Let's pretend that we don't have 314 people watching. Just talk to me right now, and let's see if this helps anybody else. What about when you are pretty skilled at some stuff? What about when you do have some juice? What about when you can do some things in your own ability because you've worked hard, you have skills, and you kind of know what buttons to push? Talk to me for a second. How
Well,
how talk to people on this call who are already doing some pretty cool things in life, and they've worked hard to get to a place in life where they pretty much can create results in a very
mhm.
somewhat safe and predictable manner. What does it look like to dream bigger, think bigger, and how are you? Because Jay, you're a very capable man. Now you're a skillful man. Like you know how to play the game and push the buttons and do the thing, Perry. And so I want to know how do you lean in and continue to be at this razor's edge, because I want to learn about that. I want to be there. I don't want to just rest and settle in a place of just kind of building on what's possible and what's simple and what seems to be very much in my strength. Um, I'd love to hear about your journey and how you stay at that place.
So I've got this phrase, one long shot and three fish in a barrel. And you can apply it to two different situations. So the first situation is if you're starting out and you don't have very many resources, then your risk appetite should be like, I'm going to do three things that I can count on are going to work, and I'm going to do one thing that's like rolling the dice. Okay.
Okay.
And that's a pretty good way to make sure that you don't end up with your clothes thrown in your front yard by your wife who just left you.